Hello everyone, I want to show you how to do your project. Okay, the project, insert WordArt and picture from online. Okay, for the first time, you must type your name. Example, next, type your class, well, okay, and then I want to show you how to create WordArt. You must click one, insert, and then you can choose this one, WordArt, and then you can choose one of them. The example, we choose this. Okay, and then type Ivy is my school. After that, don't forget to color it. You can select the first text and then you can choose the color. This is outlined color. Okay, and then don't forget to resize. You can choose home and then you can choose the size like this, 48, and then click again format. Then don't forget to give text effect. Yes, one. So many effect you can choose from here: shadow, reflection, glow. For the example, you choose this glow, and then click again. You can choose this one or this. You must give effect. One, soft brown, and then transform. Yeah, you can choose this or this. Example, this one. Okay, after that, now we want to take picture, Ivy School picture from Google. Yeah, don't forget, you must put your cursor below the WordArt or below the text Ivy School, Ivy is my school. How the way? You can double click here. Double click. Okay, so your cursor here. Move to this place. After that, you can open Google and then you can type here Ivy Integritas Bangsa School. Okay, and then don't forget to choose image so we can see so many photo or picture from Ivy School. Okay, and then don't forget to choose this one. Click the first time and then right click here and then choose image, copy image. After that, you go to your Word, Microsoft Word, and then just now don't forget Yakit, put the cursor here below the text Ivy School, Ivy is my school. Right click here and then click this one, page option, merge formatting. Okay, after that you can resize if you want to resize it. Yeah, if you want to make it smaller, you can this one, or if you want to make bigger, you can drag also make bigger. After that, click here. Yeah, after that enter to make your cursor below the picture. Okay, and don't forget to type the address our school, of our school. Yeah. Okay, and don't forget to choose the font name Times New Roman, and then make the size 12. Okay, student, so your project done. Don't forget, yeah, our project to make a word art one, and then take picture from online picture from Google, and then uh, type this text. Okay, enough for today. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.